Hi guys, welcome back to Get Free with Annie. That's me. I'm Annie. My channel is all about ways to get free. Time freedom is the main thing. Financial freedom just follows that. So time freedom is the most important. You can always make more money, but you can't make more time. So time freedom is when you don't have to trade your hour for a dollar amount of someone else's choosing. And that comes when you are financially free. So I wish that there would have been a place, a channel that I could have gone to find information and honest reviews about the best and worst courses to help me to get free through online marketing, digital marketing, and passive income. So that's what I want this channel to be for you guys. I hope it helps you make decisions on what the best way for you is to get free. And let's get free together. Let's go. Hi guys, welcome back to another review with Get Free with Annie. That's me. I'm Annie, here to do a review for you. I am tired. It's been a long day. Okay, you know what? Let's just do this review. Let's get into it. This is a review on Higher Path Ventures, which has also been known as Book Profits, which has also been known as Textbook Profits. It's a complete training course on how to do book arbitrage. Arbitrage is where you buy something for a low price and then sell it for a higher price. So this guy, Luke Sample, is the one who created it, and he's showing you how to buy books and sell them at a higher price. What's different about it? It focuses on one specific product, which is books, which seems a little weird to me. I wouldn't think you could make very much money with books, although I do remember textbooks being quite expensive in college. So it does teach you how to rank on Amazon, which is a little bit different than most. It also is different in that it has a high upfront cost and a high monthly cost. What's included? How to buy books on Amazon for a low price, how to store them and then list them on Amazon Prime for a higher price, how to offer free shipping, how to increase your profit margin by using Prime eligible offers, how to do keyword research, how to do product research to find the most profitable books, how to rank on Amazon, live training is included, a Facebook group is included, and product and keyword research software is included. How does it work? You buy books online for a low price. You use product and keyword research software tools to find profitable products online. And then you sell the books for a much higher price on Amazon and you keep the profits. Who is it for? Apparently for anyone who still has a dream. It possibly could be for people who are experts at Amazon arbitrage already and would like a new product or method to try out. It could also be for people who have at least $4,000 in capital to spend on this business model and a lot of time to devote on research. Also, the screen, so this is the screen you get. Pros. It's the only course I've come across that teaches this. It is possible to get a refund if you try and it doesn't work out, so you do have to try. It's action-based. You don't have to run ads, so that's a pro. And there are successful testimonials. However, I only really found them on the sales page, so there they all are. Cons. The name has been changed several times. It used to be called Textbook Money and Book Arbitrage. Now it's called Book Profits. Somewhat suspicious. Also, Luke is teaching people how to use Amazon's trade-in program, which only pays in Amazon gift cards. So that's a big con. And to find out the price, you have to schedule a call, which is a small group call. I hate it when courses do that. That usually means it's a very high price, at least a few $1,000s, and they need somebody to talk to you and sell you on it over the phone. From what I understand, it is quite expensive. From the research I've done, it's way overpriced. There's a lot of bad reviews and complaints. And you're learning how to buy and sell the exact same product as every other student in the program. So it's going to be saturated. Testimonials and other reviews. There are multiple complaints that you can find online from students about losing money. That's going to happen in any business and course that's teaching people how to make money. There's going to be people who aren't making money and people who lose money, but there's a lot of complaints. Also, there's complaints from students that their negative reviews and remarks are being removed. So there may even be more negative reviews than we even know about. There's just a lot of bad reviews in general. There's actually an entire Facebook page devoted to calling out Higher Path Ventures, so that's not a good sign. From what I did research on, I did not personally get on a call and buy this course, so I cannot with 100% certainty say how much it costs, but from the research I have done, it's $3,500 up front, and then it's $297 per month. I've also seen people saying that they paid $1,000 and then $97 per month. So I'm not sure if there's maybe a basic like course and a pro level or something like that, or if you can just negotiate over the phone. But minimum it's $1,000 and $97 a month. Maximum, I think it's $3,500 and $297 per month. So either way, it's pretty high priced, and an upfront cost that big with a pretty high monthly cost, not a fan of that. Final verdict. There are way too many bad reviews of this company. It's changed its name several times, which is a huge red flag. The only positive reviews and testimonials you can find are from the company itself and its sales page. Even if it is a legitimate company, the business model is flawed. Books are a low-end product. You are going to have to buy and sell thousands of books to make any real money. The price is ridiculous. If that is the price, which I think it is, because anytime you have to get on a call to find out a price, it's definitely usually thousands of dollars. So too expensive. I do not recommend this course. There are other better ways to make money online. I hope you enjoyed this review, and I hope it helps you make an educated decision on how to get free.